Hi children, I am Srinivas from Sri Sai Sat Bhavana School. Now we have already entered the money lesson and we already discussed about the for what purpose we are using the money, how it is very essential in our daily life, as well as the coins, the rupees, notes and everything we have discussed. Not only that, but next adding of money and we are writing them in the converting into paise and rupees to paise, paise to rupees, we have already discussed. Now we are moving to the exercise 14.3, that is addition in money by converting them, by converting into paise. So in this exercise 14.3, we will discuss that one. Here they are given the first problem, rupees 30.25 plus rupees 27.23. How we have to add? They said that first convert them into paise. First convert them into paise, then add. Convert them into paise and then add. First this is rupees 30.25. You know very well, 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. So 30 rupees means 30/100, that is 3000 plus 25. So you write 3025 paise plus 27 rupees. So 2223 paise. You know very well, to convert rupees into paise, just remove the decimal and write the number as it is, then it will be converted into paise. So I done same way, I have removed the decimal and removed this rupees and written the paise. So you can get the paise. Add 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 7, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the amount? 5748 paise. If you write this in rupees, this will be rupees 57.48. Because to write the rupees from the right side, for the two places, put one decimal point that converts the paise into rupees. That converts paise into rupees. So rupees 57.48. In the same way, this rupees can be converted to paise. That is 6221 paise. Rupees 43.25 can be written as 4325 paise. Add 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. So 10,546 paise. Convert this into rupees. So this is equal to rupees 105.46. 105.46. Because writing the decimal point after two places, this is in between 5 and 4, you get the decimal point. So rupees 105.46. I hope you understand this also. Come to here, rupees 47.62. How can you write? 4762 paise. Next, rupees 32.25. How much you will write? Rupees 3225 paise. Add 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. So total 7987 paise. When you convert this into rupees, this is 79.87. Rupees 79.87. I hope you understand this one also. Next, come to the problem, rupees 36.30. This can be written as 3630 paise. And rupees 63.51 can be written as 6351 paise. Now we add 0 plus 1, 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 6 also 9. So this 9,981 paise When you convert this into rupees, rupees 99.81. Rupees 99.81. Come to here, rupees 94.45. This can be written as 9445 paise. That is 9,445 paise. Rupees 10.43 can be written as rupees 1043 paise. 1043 paise. Add paise as it is 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 4 8, 4 0, 4 plus 0 4, 9 plus 1 10. So how much? 10,488 paise. So when you convert this into rupees, rupees 104.88. 104.88. Come to here, rupees 125.25, rupees 33.20. Convert. So this can be written as rupees convert into paise. So 12525 paise, that is 12,525 paise. This rupees 33.20 can be written as 3,320 paise. Add paise as it is 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 3 5, 1 as it is, that is 15,845 paise. When you write this in the rupees, rupees 158.45. So this is how you are converting it given rupees into paise and then add. Once again I will explain briefly. 30.25 can be written as 3,025. Rupees 27.23 can be written as 2,723. If you add, you will get 5,748. Next, 62.21 rupees. 62.21 rupees can be written as 6,221 paise. Rupees 43.25 can be written as 4,325 paise. When you add 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 5, 6 plus 4 10. So that is rupees 105.46. Come to here, rupees 4,762 paise. Rupees 47.62 can be written as 4,762 paise. Rupees 32.25 can be written as 3,225 paise. Add, you will get 7,987 paise. When you convert it into rupees, you will get rupees 79.87. Come to D problem. Rupees 36.30 can be written as 3,635 paise. 30 paise. Rupees 63.51 can be written as 6,351 paise. When you add, you will get 9,981 paise. So when you write this in rupees, you can get rupees 99.81. Come to here, rupees 94.45 can be written as 9,445 paise. Rupees 10.43 can be written as 1,043 paise. When you add, you will get 10,488 paise. So rupees 104.88. Come to this, rupees 125.25, that is 12,525 paise. Rupees 33.20 becomes 3,320 paise. So 5, 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 3 5, 1 as it is. So when you convert this into rupees, you can get rupees 158.45. I hope you understand this one. We will move to the next main in this exercise only. Now moving to the next main, that is grouping. Now regrouping we have to do. Here also in the same way, convert this into paise. Rupees 74.56 can be written as 7,456 paise. Same, rupees 34.84 can be written as 3,484 paise. Add. Paise add is as it is 6 plus 4 10 carry 1. 8 plus 5 6, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 1 14, carry 1. Once again I will explain. 6 plus 4 10 carry 1. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 8, 14 carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 3, 10. In that there is no carry, here we have to carry. 6 plus 4, 10 carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14 carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 3, 10. So this is the paise. Convert this into rupees. So this can be written as rupees 109.40. Rupees 109.40. Come to here. Rupees 21.48 they are given. Convert this into paise. 2148 paise. This one becomes 3227 paise. Add. Paise as it is 8 plus 7, 15 carry 1. 8 plus 7, 15 carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. So this becomes 5375 paise after adding. Convert this into rupees. Rupees 53.75. Rupees 53.75. Come to here. This rupees 43.29 becomes rupees 4,329 paise. Rupees can be converted into paise. So 43.29 rupees become 4,329 paise. Rupees 57.21 can be written as 5,721 paise. Add. You will get paise as it is 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, 5 plus 4, 9, plus 1, 10. So 10,050 paise. Convert this into rupees. Rupees 100.50. Rupees 100.50. Once again I will add 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. Come to here. Rupees 35.64. If you convert this into paise, you will get 3,564 paise. When after converting this rupees 83.69 to paise, you get 8,369 paise. Add. Paise as it is 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 plus 3, 11. So 11,933 paise. This can be written as rupees 119.33. Rupees 119.33. Once again I will add 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9, 8 plus 3, 11. 11,933 rupees. 11,933 paise. When you convert this into rupees, you will get rupees 119.33. Next, come to here. Rupees 59.05. That can be written as 5,905 paise. Next, rupees 8.09 can be written as 809 paise. Add. Paise as it is 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1 as it is 9 plus 8, 17, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6. That is equal to rupees 6,714. 67.14. Paise 6,714 paise can be written as rupees 67.14. Rupees 67.14. Next, come to here. Rupees 81.25 can be written as 8,125 paise. This rupees 10.17 can be written as 1017 paise. Add. You will get 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 0, 1, 8 plus 1, 9. total 9,142 paise. 9,142 paise. So convert this into rupees. Rupees can be written as 91.42. Rupees 91.42. I hope you understand this mine also. Next we'll go for adding the rupees and the paise. Now we are moving to the fourth main. They are given in the words. We have to write them in the numbers and then add. I have already written on the board in the numbers. What they are given, add rupees 47.65 with rupees 84.48. Just you add 5 plus 8, 13, carry 1. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1. Decimal point as it is. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, carry 1. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. That is rupees 132.13. Once again I will add 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 as it is, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, that is rupees 132.13. Come to here, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8, write at 8 as it is, decimal point as it is, 7 plus 5, 12, write 2 here, take carry 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 2 plus 1, 3, rupees 382.80. Next come to here, 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, under carry 1, I will explain once again, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 here, carry 1, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, carry 1, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, write 2 here, take carry 1, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So rupees 102.04. Next come to here, addition, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 3, 5, decimal point as it is, 9 plus 6, 15, write 5 here, take carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, that is rupees 765.50. So next we will move to the next exercise. Now moving to the word problems. Chavi bought sugar for rupees 25, tea packet for rupees 51.25 and a matchbox for rupees 2.10. Find the total money spent by Chavi. Here they are given, that is cost of sugar rupees 25, cost of tea packet is rupees 51.25 and the cost of matchbox is rupees 2.10. Then you have to find out what the total amount spent by Chavi. Add 5, 0 plus 5, 5 plus 0, totally get 5. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Decimal point as it is. Next, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. So, what is the total amount spent by her? Chavi is rupees 78.35. Chavi went to a grocery shop to purchase the sugar, tea packet and matchbox. Cost of sugar is rupees 25. Cost of tea packet is rupees 51.25 and the cost of matchbox is rupees 2.10. Totally, she has paid rupees 78.35. Okay, next come to the next, another one. In a fair, Mayank spent rupees 38.75 in the food stall and rupees 27.50 at the lucky dip. How much money did Mayank spend in all? Mayank spent at the food stall rupees 38.75. At the lucky dip, he spent rupees 27.50. Then find the total. To find the total, what we have to do? Add it. So 5 plus 0, 5 as it is. 7 plus 5, 12. Write 2 here. Take carry 1. Decimal point as it is. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 1, 16, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6. So rupees 66.25. I will add once again. 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6. That is rupees 66.25. Come to here. Sarita deposited rupees 150.55 in her savings bank account. Her father deposited rupees 218 more. Find the total money Sarita has now in her bank account. Yes, amount deposited by Sarita is rupees 150.55 and her father deposited rupees 218. Then find the total amount in her account. For total, just add here 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. Decimal point as it is. 0 plus 8, 8 as it is. 5 plus 1, 6, 2 plus 1, 3. That is rupees 368.55. Rupees 368.55. So this completes the addition of the money. Next we'll move to the subtracting money in the next class. So I hope you understand this one. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.